First, I'm going to show you how to connect the splitter, and we're using a Sony Blu-ray player and 3 HD TVs. I already plugged the HDMI cables to the player and the TV. So first, you want to connect the HDMI cable from the player to the splitter, right here. Then you will want to connect the power. You see the green lights and the orange lights, meaning signals going through. So we already have signal right there. And in order to to cascade it, these splitters come with a 1-foot HDMI cable. So to cascade it, all you do is connect from the first local output of the first splitter to the input of the second splitter. And then connect the power. There you go. And the green and orange lights meaning signal and power is going through. Now, so we have all the splitters set up. So now we're going to connect the receivers. The first I'm going to connect the first receiver I'm going to connect is the box dial. So in order to do this, I will be using a 150-foot cable, patchcord cable. So you want to first connect it to any port that's available, like so. And then connect to the box. And then connect the power. And then connect the HDMI cable from the TV. And there you go. And you can see the image coming out. Now, on the box, we have an EQ. The EQ is back here. Now this is to suggest the EQ is to have in case you have problems with the image, it's like static or something. Right now we have the EQ set at 0, which is the most powerful since we're using a longer length. But for example, if you don't find it, it could also go to 1. The higher the number, the lower the signal strength. So let's say I go to 3 right now. Because we're using 150 feet, it's pretty too long. So signal's not strong enough, so picture goes away. But I go back to 1 or 0 and it goes back. Now, that's one. The second one I can show you connect is going to be the wall plate. Now the wall plate on the back is 110, as you can see. So all you do is, and it's all color coded, so just match it up. And so in order to do it, all you do is punch down from using the wire, which is same colors. First, you want to connect the wire to any port available. Then you want to punch down the cables, which I'm going to do right now. So white, blue to blue, white, orange, and orange to all corresponding places. And then once you have everything punched down like that, and now you want to connect the power first. You want to connect the power first, and you see the lights coming up, green and orange coming up. That means it's going through the cable and to the wall plate. And then you want to connect the HDMI cable from the TV to this output. And give a second, and there you go. Now, on the wall plate also it's active. So the wall plate on the front handle has the EQ. Right now it's at 1 and 0, 1 or 0, which is the most powerful. But because we're using a longer length, we need a stronger signal strength, so we're using 1 right now. Now for the last receiver we're using is going to be the pigtail. This is a passive, so it draws power from the TV. So first you want to do is connect it to the TV, back-end TV. Then you want to plug, and where you're going to be, since it's passive, it's going to be a shorter length. So I'm using a 50-foot cable. So on this I'm going to show you I'm going to just plug in on the cascaded splitter for one side, and then the other end to the receiver. Yeah, I have to give it a few minutes, and There you go. And you can see everything working right now. But just to play with it, I'll connect this. I'll change the port from this one to a different port. Take the port a bit, so you can see everything working on different ports too. And right now we are on these. On all of them, we're playing 1080p at 60 Hz, and we're just showing 12-bit deep color.